see. See if you can find... Look. Are there little Easter Bunny footprints?
Where did they lead to?
I wonder if you follow them. Well, maybe you should follow the bunny footprints and you'll find it. Hey, look. Does it look like the Easter Bunny came? Maybe you should follow the footprints and see where they lead. Here, let me see this. Oh my gosh. Buddy, maybe you should follow the basket. Maybe... Follow the little footprints and see where they lead. Maybe you'll get a spanking.
Oh, a racing car. Race cars. A race car!
Whoa.
I want to open this.
Okay.
It says Hot Wheels.
It does say Hot Wheels. Look what else. Easter Bunny must have brought you that.
Oh, something new. A glowing fish ring. And I brought that from a pedal. And a full house. It's not easy to look and the let's open it.
Little egg. Wait, there's just grass in there.
I'm gonna open the top wheel.
Okay. Say thanks, Easter Bunny.
Thank